Stock investing for beginners. 3 reasons why stock markets jump today. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Today S&P 500 was up 0.63%. Nasdaq it was up 1.52%. At one point, Nasdaq was up more than 2%. That's pretty good. Then after that it went down a little bit when it closed. And Dow Jones up 0.21%. It was up around 1% Dow Jones. Then after that it went down to close the market. Year to date it stayed down 2.87%, but it's almost break even and possibly positive for the year. So that's why never miss 10 best trading days. If you miss it, that will be a big loss. Nasdaq year to date it stayed down 8.14%, but we just need 10 more days, 10 more positive days to break even. And S&P 500 year to date 4.51%. So this is how we get rich, right? When stock market is down, we could buy great companies at great prices, low prices, right? Cheap prices. So then you DCA. So when the stock market recover, your average cost will be down and you get rich. They never waste any crisis. Remember that. So why did stock markets go up today? It opened up, positive up today. Reason number 3, Meta. Meta stock jumped at one point more than 5%, and now it's close 4.23%. So 5 days it jumped 4.65%. Year to date it stayed down, only 4.51%. 5 years it's beat S&P 500, 182.89%. So why did it open up? Because of earnings report. They reported earnings yesterday after the market closed. So their earnings are pretty good. So and also there are some other things that we should look out for. And earnings per share 6.43 versus 5.28 expected. 42.31 versus 41.40 expected. So first quarter sales rose 16% year over year, while net income jumped 35% to 16.64 billion, up from 12.37 billion. So I would say this is an A report. Compared to Google Alphabet, I would say A minus. Meta is like A, right? It's pretty solid. And the second quarter sales will be in the range of 42.5 billion to 45.5 billion. So that's in line with analyst expectations of 44.03 billion. I just hope that they don't come in lower than 44.03 billion in next quarter. And also, finance chief Susan Lee also added that company has begun to see some reduced ad spending from Asian e-commerce exporters because of tariff. Because of President Trump tariff, Asians exporters, they don't see any points of advertising in the US because Americans can't afford to pay those tariffs to import Chinese goods, Asian goods. So that's pretty crazy. So Meta, good news is that Meta lower their total 2025 expense forecast. So which is good, 113 billion to 118 billion compared to 114 billion to 119 billion. So that's good news, more revenue, lower cost, that means higher profit margin, right? So but Meta increased its 2025 capital expenditure to come in the range of 64 billion to 72 billion, up from 60 billion to 65 billion. Why? Because of tariff, because they have data center investment. They need to import infrastructure hardware, AI, right? So they need to project how much increased cost gonna be. So they need to raise the expense, but they lower to the expense. So where is the reduced expense come from? It's from human capital, right? They definitely lay out so many people. I think they will be lay out some people with AI. The job that used to take 100 people, now it's only take about 10 people because of AI. More efficient, more productive, fewer people. So that's why you need to learn stock investing, option trading, and advanced option trading. Why? Because in future, most of the jobs will be replaced by AI. But if you know how to invest in great companies, you will always make money from stock investing and option trading and also dividends too. So you need to start learning also. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and learn more about those investment education. So yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. I would say it's all. Daily active user also rose. That's good news. You see, up from 3.35 billion from previous quarter, now 3.42 billion in the first quarter. Better than analyst expectation, 3.39 billion. So that's really good. I would say this is a report. Earnings report is like A. So what is the reason number 2? It's Microsoft. Up 7.63%. At one point, it was up more than 9%. So 5 days is up 9.8%. 1 month is 11.31%. Year to date, it's positive now. Positive for the year. So that's pretty good news. 5 years, yeah, it beat S&P 500, but it's not as much as Meta. Meta is more than 182. But let's look at their earnings. What's going on? So Microsoft doesn't usually jump more than 5%, maybe 2-3% after earnings. It may drop 2-3%, or sometimes it can drop around 5%, 7%. Now it jumped over 7%, so something must be really good. So Microsoft delivered better than expected on revenue and net income. Their Azure cloud business exceeded estimates, so they will be, and also market were nervous that Trump tariffs could impact Microsoft. They never said anything about Trump tariffs. So business as usual. 3.22 expected versus 3.46. 70.07 billion versus 68.42 billion. I would say it's A, the same as Meta. The revenue, EPS, and revenue, but their forecast is better than Meta. Revenue in the range of 73.15 billion to 74.25 billion. It's much better than expectations. They estimate 72.26 billion. Even their lower range is better than analysts estimate and consensus. So which is why it pushed the stock price over 7%, at one point over 9%. The company sees 34% to 35% in Azure growth at constant currency compared to 31.5% consensus. That's very good. Forecast is definitely A plus. Really, really great. So that's no wonder Microsoft stock jump. So other than that, everything else is like business as usual. So which stock do you like better? Do you like Microsoft or do you like Meta? Comment down below. And do you own any of the stock? Comment down below as well. So what is the reason number 1? Nvidia. Nvidia jumped over 2.47%. At one point, it was up over 3%. So why? Because Meta said AI investment going up. Microsoft also, nobody said anything about reducing AI investment. Microsoft also confirmed their spending, and Google Alphabet also confirmed their spending as well. So Nvidia, hey, that's pretty bullish news for Nvidia, because Alphabet, Meta, Microsoft, they buy from Nvidia for AI investment, right? So Nvidia 5 day 4.5%, 1 month positive, year to date it stayed down 90.3%. So yeah, maybe this Nvidia will catch up Microsoft and Meta pretty so. 5 years it just blows away. Much better than S&P 500, much better than Microsoft, and also much better than Meta as well. So Nvidia, that's why Nvidia could be the AI king. And of course, any stock, if it's up so much, it's very normal for the stock to be down 19.2%. Nothing new. So if you want to learn more about stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced option, and other investment education, you can go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto on YouTube channel. Go to my playlist, and there are so many playlists that you can learn from. And make sure you share and subscribe. If you want to open a stock trading account, the links will be in the YouTube description comment down below. Share subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.